In front of me I've got Yamaha MusicCast 20. In this video I'll show you how to turn on local radio on the speaker. Firstly, make sure that your speaker is connected to MusicCast app. Enter the app and now go to bottom of the list. Here we've got the list of the sources. Select Net Radio, and now you can select Favorites, Search, History, Recommendations, Local Stations, Popular Stations and more. Let's select Local Stations and select one station. And it's done. Now you can save it as your favorite source. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.